Master the art of captivating storytelling. As a 23-year-old professional YouTuber and experienced freelance scriptwriter with years of experience in content creation field, writing viral video scripts for myself and other YouTubers that work well, here is my $1,000,000 word secret that you need to know. To write high quality, retention boosting scripts for free without spending a penny from your pocket. First thing first, let's talk about the platform where the magic happens, Google Docs. It's my go-to choice for scripting because it's not only free but also allows the multiple collaborators to work simultaneously. But choose whatever you want. Now let's dive into the most crucial part of your script, the introduction. Create a new document, start writing your intro. Is it so important, you ask? Well, to count as a view, YouTube requires viewers to watch at least the first 30 seconds of your video. That's why it's vital to trim the fluff from your intros and dive straight into the captivating content. We don't want our viewers getting bored and clicking away. This is especially crucial if your target audience is younger, as the attention spans tend to be shorter. Take educational videos, for example, like the ones I create. We kick off with something like, "Hey guys, welcome back to Killer Videos. Get ready to learn the killer way to make money on YouTube." And guess what? Nobody cares. My intros are usually about 1 to 2 sentences long, simple and straight to the point. It will help you a lot to gain high retention for all of your videos. But wait, there is more. To keep your viewers engaged throughout the entire video, you must master the art of pacing and storytelling. Break down your content into bite-sized chunks, ensuring a smooth flow and logical progression. Here is the pro tip that I personally follow. Don't be afraid to inject your unique personality into your script. It's what sets you apart from the rest, helps build a genuine connection with your audience. Be authentic, be yourself, and let your passion shine through every word you write. Please, please, please don't tell people to like and subscribe or go buy your course. Save that for the end, because if a viewer's never seen your content before, then they have no reason to trust that you are credible or actually know what you are talking about. So why would they subscribe or buy your course? They are more likely to subscribe or like your video or buy your course since they have learned something valuable from you. You don't need to use ChatGPT to write a perfect script. People love simple things. Just write it in your own style and you will create a uniqueness around your channel. Another most important thing, you might be an expert in your field. It's important to remember that your audience may not have the same level of knowledge or understanding. Therefore, steer clear of using excessive technical jargon or industry-specific terms that may confuse viewers. Instead, opt for a plain language that can be easily understood by a wider audience.